So my 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo, I had a fucking replaced this and the gasket because I had a real bad leak. I put it together, start the car up, it started right up. Then it died after 20 seconds. Now it won't start at all. I need some help. I need to know if my engine is seized. Do I need to start looking for another engine? Or is this fixed? This is the sound that it makes. Let's see if y'all can hear that. Can somebody please let me know what's going on? I replaced my starter, so I know it's not the starter. I just need a little help.